I'm always looking for fun activities to not only do with my kids, but also do at their birthday parties. Well, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a color-in doodle pillowcase. This is great, especially if you're going to be having some sleepovers with the kiddos. This is a great activity that they can do with their friends. All right, so what you need is a regular white cotton pillowcase, and you're going to want to put something on the inside of it, so like a piece of poster board or cardboard. And then we're going to be using the Tulip Fabric Markers in the 20 count rainbow pack. All right, let's get started. For our first step, all we're gonna do is doodle. So take out your black fabric marker and start doodling. If you have younger kids, parents, this is the step you can do. You can almost create your own coloring sheet on the pillowcase, or if you've got kids that are old enough to doodle, let them doodle and then they can color it in, or they can switch with their friends. They doodle and then switch and their friends can color it in. And once your doodling is done, you have a super cool, basically like a coloring book, a pillowcase. And then take the rest of those great Tulip fabric markers and start coloring. All right, let your kiddos color as much or as little as they want. I don't know about you, but this is super fun. I would love to do this at a ladies' night in too. And best part is your Tulip fabric markers are permanent and washable. So this design is never going away. All right, head over to Tulip's website to find out more and purchase your very own set of fabric markers and find other great projects from makers like me. All right, that's it for this project. I'm gonna go grab my daughter Lily and we're gonna finish coloring this pillowcase. Happy crafting, friends!